dear. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning letters is so sweet. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. Let's all cheer, hooray! Woohoo! G is for jam, jam. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. Let's roar with all our might. Let's sing it loud, let's sing it clear. The alphabet is here, my dear. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning letters is so sweet.
M is for monkey swinging on a tree. He's got the rhythm wild and free. Bananas in hand, he's feeling alright. Dancing in the jungle all through the night. Monkey crew, let's jump around in a nest of eyes, safe and sound. Oh, ow, it's under the moon, but pig rolls in.
P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun shining bright in the scene. Clap your hands and sing with me. Learning letters is the key. A, B, C, and all the rest. Every letter is the best. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for whale who swims like a fella. Clap your hands and sing with me. Learning letters is the key. A, B, C, and all the rest. Every letter is the best. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. We've learned them all, no turning back. We've danced through letters one by one, singing loud and having fun. From A to Z, it's quite a ride. Every letter by your side.
Let's count and spell from 1 to 10. 1, O-N-E, 1. I have 1 red balloon. 2 little chicks say cheep, cheep. 3 monkeys swing on a tree. 4 friends are knocking at the door. 5 little fish swim and dive. 6 ladybugs doing magic tricks. 7 rainbow colors shine in heaven. 8 cupcakes on a plate. 9 cats walk in a line. 10 toys say, let's count again. Let's count again from 1 to 10. Great job with numbers. Now let's learn how to spell them. From 1 to 10, O-N-E. 1 T W-O. 2 T-H-R. E-E 3. F-O-U-R. F-I-V-E 5. S-I-X 6. S-E-V-E-N E-I-G-H-T 8. N-I-N-E 9. T-E-N 10. Red, blue, white, green, black, pink, yellow, purple, orange. An apple is red. A lollipop is blue. yellow. A leaf is green. Milk is white. A cat is black. Grapes are purple. An orange is orange. A bear is brown. A flower is pink. Hi, kids!